MC, make another hit.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Yanni back with another video. Today is actually 4th of July, so you know how those meets go. At least I hope it's gonna be lit, but from what I've heard, it's gonna be crazy. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get it.
But I know if I keep going, they're just gonna hop in.
I know Nas is trying to hop in.
I told you. That's why I said when I said back up when that nigga coming. Cause he gonna come out a little inch further, bro.
Keep going. You got it, bro. Keep going, bro. Just hold it. You got it. Is it shifting?
No, I know. It's light, bro. I don't know what's up. Oh, Jay, slide it. That's okay. Now I know what we gotta do. We gotta get him pissed off. That's what we gotta do.
Yo, Elliot. What's good, boy?
What's good, boy? Hey, now I know what we gotta do. We gotta piss you off. That's what we gotta do. Good shit, my boy. Yo.
Oh, yeah, no, Ricky. I think it's the 25.
did that shit. Hey, Manny, what you think about that? What you think about that?
That was fun.
That was fun?
Yeah.
Oh, now you smiling. Okay, well, yeah.
That hurt like a bitch.
Yeah. 4th of July, they letting all fuck it. Bro, your ears ringing, bro?
I just got reset.
Bro, god damn, bro. My ears are ringing, bro. This on, wow. It's deep though. It's deep. Best to believe. Let's go, man. Let's go. Get in there. Lose it. Let's go. We gotta get out of here. Nah, I didn't in my ear. Stop. We about to chill for a second. Gonna find the next spot. Bro, Manny, you having fun?
Yeah.
It's the first time I see this nigga smile today. This nigga never smiled until he go to me. Now y'all, alright, yeah, I like that. What you gotta say, Chris? How you feel about it?
It was wild, bro. When I saw the feet fly in the air, I was just shocked.
Yes. Alright, yo. Hey, Christopher. Alright, let's get going. Ready? We about to go to the next spot. Damn, y'all can't even see me. Huh? Oh, let me send it to you. We about to go to the next spot. I'm gonna catch y'all there. I gotta give this man the Addy. With you. Oh, Chico's here. Yeah, he's here. He just started a line. Chico. Remind you every time. wasn't lying. It's a surprise. Bro, what is this, bro? I told you getting it printed. I told you getting it printed. Oh my God. of the video, like, comment, subscribe. I do have more content coming out. I do have updates on my car actually. There's a reason why it wasn't in the video and I wasn't driving. So stay tuned for the next video and I'll update you guys on what happened to the Camaro. It's not really good news. I'm sad to say that it happened, but you know, things happen and we're bouncing back from it. But without further ado, it's your boy Yanni, and I'm out. Stay wavy.
MC, make another hit.
Project X.